Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create Google Forms with AI. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. This is going to be the main page where you can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have one, you can take a look at the recent forms right here that we have already created and so on. So in the upper right corner, first we need to go ahead and log into our accounts. If you do not already have a Google account, what you can do is go ahead and create a new one. And if you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page where we can get started. So let's go ahead and create a new form if you have not already opened one. So to create a new form, just click the plus button right here. This is going to open up a blank form and it's going to look like this. You can give it a name, untitled form, you can give it a form description and so on. But at the top of the screen is going to be this option right here. So you can see how do you create a form with Gemini in Google Forms. This is their AI. Currently guys, as you can see, it's not available in all countries. If you do not see an option right here above this form title to go ahead and use the AI, then you do not have it available in your country like me. But if you want to use it guys and it's available, it's going to show up like this. At the top of the screen, it's going to go ahead and say help me create a form. You can input what you want your form to say and it's going to go ahead and give you all the questions and examples that you can use. So basically guys, at the top of the new form, you can access the help me create a form box, and in the toolbar you can go and enter in what you want. So after that guys, once you're satisfied, you can just follow the steps right here in this article so that you can go ahead and get started with using your AI for your form, but currently it's not available everywhere. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.